I don't know enough about timing yet.
Oh, you didn't know? Oh, I'm going to have to go home now.
Sam, this guy's got 2 belts.
2? All right. Is that legal?
Can I shoot it off the mount, or does it got to stay on the mount?
You can take it off. I'll grab you another round. Hang on. I think I'll grab you another round.
Brad. Fuck. So I in here, same thing. I gotta wonder if the firing pin. We're having a problem with the firing pin.
Take it apart.
You guys know what's right is? Try to take that thing out of there.
Yeah. That's the FNG in you.
Unsafe, right?
Yeah, let me get your nut there.
Right.
Your safety is now off, and you are ready to go.
All right, just go ahead whenever.
Huh?
Go ahead whenever.
Okay, now you're ready.
These are, I like them.
It's ready to fire.
Nice job.
Thanks a lot.
How much do you pay for just a gun?
180?
Yeah.
You got an
180?
180.
How'd you do?
We'll get the 180.
I'm gonna tell you something in a second when we get out of here.
You didn't get the...
Thank you.
Thank you.
Oh, you got the Ultimax, not the... Alright, let's
It's just the ammo.
Good man.
Keep shooting it. Get whatever it takes.
Whatever it takes.
Clear the barrels and put a barrel in that brass one.
I'm sitting there firing. Well, we better get farther away.
Thank you.
Dude, that thing's so dirty. Did you look inside?
Single shot.
How was it?
Awesome. It was awesome. 100 rounds goes a lot faster than you thought. Because I'm going da-da-da-da-da-da-da, and I'm like da-da-da-da. I think, okay, I think I'm on the target now. And I look over and I can see the guy's hand out of the corner of my eye. I'm like, all right, well this is it. Dunk, you know. But no, while you were firing, I was like standing there getting ready, and you started firing, and your breath hit me in the back of my knee. And it was heavy, you know, because it was really.
I wish I got a video of that.
I got a bunch of pictures. I got as many as I could.
Awesome. Well,
That was $100 well spent.
oh yeah, I'm totally on board.